My name's blurry face and I care what you think.
Hey guys, so in this video, I'm doing my Halloween makeup tutorial. I called it The Monster Within. And I already primed my face here using the JCat Beauty Priming Spray. Then I used their liquid foundation in the shade 5 and 3, putting it under my eyes. Then I put it on my forehead, on my chin, and on my jaw. Then I blend it out with a beauty blender. Then I'm actually gonna add their contour palette using the pinkish brightener shade. Then just putting it under my eyes and blending it out. There you go, just like that. Then I actually set this with the banana powder, but I didn't show it here in this video. Then I baked it with the porcelain powder. This porcelain one is really good for baking. It just gives you that brightness under your eyes. Then this also to catch the fallout of the eyeshadow if ever there's some. Then I'm using the excess powder to set my face. Just beat your face. Yes, girl. Then I'm using the same shade to carve my brows because my brows is tattooed and I have more of a manly thick brows. So I'm gonna tame it down a little bit. Then later on, I'm gonna use their eyebrow pencil. Yeah. Dance, dance, dance. I'm gonna take their eyebrow pencil to recarve my brows to make it a little bit longer and more feminine. Yeah. That's in the shade black. Then I'm gonna set the eyelids using the porcelain powder. Then I'm gonna brush it off. This to prime the lids so your eyeshadow will look more airbrush. Yeah, then the eyebrows is done. Drink, drink, drink. I actually peed so much in this video. Then I'm gonna take this 12 colored eyeshadow palette from JCat Beauty. I'm gonna take this orange color, then using it as a transition shade. Just blend it out really good, then add some more, looking like fish, then you're good to go. Then I'm taking this burgundy palette, taking the brownish reddish one, and just putting it directly on my crease, then blending it out on my transition shade. Also pack it on your outer corner and the inner corner to make it look more smoky and more sultry. Just blend, 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 guys. Then I'm taking their darkest foundation shade, putting some setting spray on the brush to make it more pigmented and darker. Then this is really good, like just to make it smoky. Then I'm gonna go back on the burgundy palette just to blend it out. Then I'm gonna dust it off. Don't dust off your baking, guys, because I did dust it off. Then I ended up adding some more because I'm gonna put some glitter. Then I primed my lids using the glitter primer, so I can the glitter will stick to your lids, and it worked really good because I used it all day. Then I'm putting their brownish bronzy glitter. This one is the best glitter ever, guys. The best glitter I ever used. Then I'm using the brown shade from the 12 colored palette. Then just making a transition between the glitter and the eyeshadow, so it looks more flawless and airbrushed. And just putting my lashes on, looking like fish, and dusting off the glitter and the bake. Then I'm using their eye pencil in black. Then I'm putting the same brown and the burgundy palette. Then I'm adding some more black jumbo pencil. Then adding the same color again. Then I'm gonna use the same transition shade, the orange one and the burgundy one. Then I'm gonna retouch the eyeliner, the black pencil. Then I'm gonna use their mascara. Just mascara it out. Also, I used the darkest foundation shade. This one is really good for contouring, guys. It's just a perfect contour. Then I'm putting more powder, their foundation powder in the shade Honey, and the shade number 3 under my eyes and my forehead and my chin. Then I'm gonna put some highlight. This is the liquid highlight. This is so blinding, guys. Like, you can see this through the moon. Then I'm gonna top it off with the powder. It looks so good. It's like snatch as fuck. Then this one, I'm adding the powder. Oh my gosh, see that highlight, girl? Queen. Then I'm taking this pigment. This is a mousse pigment, and I'm putting it under my brows. This one is more blinding than the liquid one. Oh my gosh. Then I'm taking the eyebrow pencil. Then we're gonna start on our Halloween look. Use the eyebrow pencil to stencil the cracks, because I'm putting cracks. Then I'm using the liquid liner in black just to carve out the cracks that I draw with the eyebrow pencil, then fill it in. Then do the same thing under your eyes. Carve, 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 then fill it in. Just be artistic on your cracks, guys. Like, whatever cracks you want is gonna look good, as long as be realistic to it. Then I'm taking the same shade from the contour palette, the pinkish one, and making a highlight so it looks more cracked. Then I'm taking the gray one from the burgundy palette. Then I'm just adding some gray color on beside of the crack, especially the small ones, so it looks so real. With that technique, it's gonna be like a special effects. Just use a smallest brush ever, then just fade it out on the cracks so it looks so real. And also blend, guys. Blend. Then I'm doing the same thing on the mouth, but I'm starting on the edge of my mouth, going on top of my ear. It depends on how much you want the crack will go. That's my measurement. It depends on you guys. Just be artistic on it. Then I'm gonna stencil, then add some eyeliner again, then fill it in. Then we're gonna do the same thing, the one we did on the eyes. Then we're gonna put some highlight on it, so it's gonna pop out. Then we're gonna put some gray eyeshadow. Then later on, we're gonna do the stitches on the cracks. Put some highlight on it. Just repeat what we did on the eyes, guys. Then I'm taking this white shade from their lipstick palette, the JCat Beauty lipstick palette. I'm taking the white shade, and I'm using that to make this like threads, you know, like I sew it in. Then I'm gonna use the one on the burgundy palette, the like a skin tone color, like a peachy skin tone. Then putting that on the edge of the stitches, both edges, not on the center. Just blend it out on the center. Then I'm adding some gray on the edges of the stitches so it looks more deep, like I sew it in. Then I'm gonna add some purple later on. The purple will be like, it will look like it has some bruises in it. So just be very gentle on that. Just pat, don't drag it, just pat. Then I'm taking the gray eyeshadow. Then I'm just putting it on top of the threads. So one of the threads looks on top. Then I'm putting the jumbo pencil again on my eye. Then I'm gonna prime it with a glitter primer. Don't forget to bake your face, guys. Prime it with a glitter primer. Then add some glitter on it. The same glitter, the brown bronzy glitter. Then put some lashes on. Then I used this lipstick. This is the nudist lipstick they have. Then later on, I added some gloss in it. Add some wig, put some setting spray, and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed, guys. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.